Hello, I'm Mohammed Ehrab, and today I'm sharing about my journey coding. After I learned HTML5, I'm learning CSS, and today I completed these topics like selectors in CSS, colors, units, text, like font style, and text transformation, like etc. And setting dimension means width, height, min height, like this. Box model and understood box model and border, how it works. So I learned these topics in CSS3 after learning HTML5, and after learning CSS these topics, I built this project. See, this is a project after learning CSS3. It's a simple box model and hover effect, and here's hover effect. Like, this is another div inside a box. It's a 3 div, like this it's effect, hover effect. It's a checkbox, and side is a it's a border. So yeah, it's my little project after learning CSS3 these these topics. Hope you'll appreciate it. Thank you.